Hello everyone, I'm Amal from the Amal Invest team and I'm very excited to share with you this demo to show you how easy it is to create your first halal investment in 3 easy steps within the Amal platform. Getting started is very easy. After you connect your Alpaca account and add funds to it, these funds would appear as cash in the Amal dashboard as you can see here. To proceed, we can click on Create Fund. This will move us to the fund creation step, and here we've given you 3 of the most popular funds to begin with: the Grow Fund, the Build Fund, and the Save Fund. But if you have any specific fund in mind, you can always switch to the Expert mode and search for that fund. For the sake of this demo, let's go ahead and proceed with the Grow Fund. Clicking on the Grow Fund will move us to the fund overview page. Here we can read some basic information about the fund. It's basically built on the Fidelity Growth Fund, as you can see here. And in this section, we can check the fund's performance against the market average over the past 5 years from 2019 till the last date the holdings were updated in this fund, as you can see here. In this section, we're telling you that if you've invested $10,000 in this fund 4 years ago, that would have grown to over 32K with the current market prices. And for a more detailed look about all the fund holdings and constituents, you can always check the What's Inside section. Here you can see the companies, their Sharia compliance statuses, and the percentages that they comprise of in the fund. Finally, we've given you another statistical breakdown based on all the compliances, their accounts, and percentages. Before you go ahead and create the filtered copy of this fund, you can check this Customize this fund section. This is a very powerful section, and every fund you create in Amal has its own filter settings. Here you can choose what to do with every stock. All the non-halal stocks are excluded by default, as you can see, and you can choose to include the doubtful stocks or exclude them by turning this off. And what to do if a stock turns non-compliant. By default, we wait for 2 consecutive reports that says this stock is non-compliant. You can choose to sell it immediately or do nothing and just receive a notification. Clicking Submit will move you forward and create the filtered copy of this fund. As you can see, we just created our filtered copy of the Grow Fund. The activity logs tells us that, and from this step we can move forward to click on Invest, which will open the investing dialog, and here we can input the amount that we want to invest in. So let's go ahead and enter $1,000 and proceed to click on the Preview button. This is the order previewer, and it will give you all the orders that will be executed if you proceed and make this $1,000 investment. As you can see, the $1,000 will buy us stocks in Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, so on and so forth. You can review all these orders and finally proceed by clicking on Submit 81 orders. Here we're telling you that all the orders will be executed within a minute or 2 if the market is currently open, or they will be scheduled to run the next time the market is open. And as you just saw, all this took us 2 to 3 minutes to create our first halal fund and start investing in it. So if you're looking to start investing the halal way, join us now at amalinvest.com.